Only come on when I know
Because I
Kartel.
want to speak in
Stop chat.
I'm standing for morals and...
Stop the chatting, brother. I'm not chat too much like a girl. So I go on with the Gargan. Gargan, Desmond, because I road now, brethren. Ninja for the road, brother. Yeah, man, Papasan cut me in my back. You know, catch my back in my skin in the boy. Bust my signature. Yes, some fish business go on, some shit in a plate. I'll select that shit in a plate right now, brethren. I'll catch them.
I watch them on the German represent for Lion Foot TV. Yeah, real G. Tell them on the strongest soldiers get the hardest fight. Lion Foot Patriots out there.
Yes, Aya.
Blessed love, blessed love. Yeah, man, welcome to Lion Foot TV, the reasoning. They are reasoning with the veteran himself, Ruddy Irie. And I mean, the first podcast. Yes, man, the reasoning. You know? Yes, man, about time, you know what I mean? Or nothing before the time. That's it. Ruddy Irie, where go on?
They are my big brother. They are all them, you know?
True.
So not and thing.
Yeah, man, all right, you see me?
Yeah, sure, that's why England see right through.
Right, you see the sun. Yeah, but we just talk about the reason, you know. We don't really know for the topic or for the head, but I want to got issues out there. We just talk about normal reasoning. You see me? So to all of the fans them who don't know Ruddy, I'm introduce Ruddy Irie. Don't know, veteran artist who paved the way for enough artists, including myself, inspire I and I. You know what I mean? Sing some monster song with the Shabba Ranks. One day, Jerry. Michael Rose. You see me?
Yeah.
And more. You see me? So when I first met Ruddy, it was a pleasure, you know what I mean? In the flesh. You see it? Yes, man, we're there today. So Ruddy, but the fans them know what I want.
Yeah, man, a Ruddy man, original. You get me, the icon, you know? We know the road and know the thing and know the business. You see what I say? Yeah, people. Yeah, man, original. You see me? Walton Park Road, boy, Kingston 13, St. Andrew.
So, let them know what the song that we're singing. Give them a flashback now. 10 seconds or 20.
Boy, a whole heap of song I sing in a brethren. I sing song I never remember in a brethren.
Give to the original one.
Original one.
For the old school artists, the long time fans. Them.
Yeah, dollar that do it. You get me, mother-in-law. Charmian, you get me, Charmian, we are called Ruddy for. Big tune again. What do you? Me and Shabba Ranks. Me and Michael Rose too. Blessed to be stressed. Holy Pasang Virgin.
Yes, man.
Punchinella.
Yeah, la one day.
Yeah, man. Me do a song. Me do a song with Sugar Minot family. Sugar Minot. You remember one tune with Sugar Minot they do near Hear Me Now Soap. Hear Me Now Star. When you come and dance, you know, deal with now where you don't buy down. You know what my tune that do?
Yeah. Well, you write it?
Oh, me never me write it, man.
Yeah.
A 5 wall time up in your DJ that, you know.
It's true.
One dancehall. We call it dancehall sitting under that. Then we have down a 5 wall time in Avenue Kilimanjaro. You see me? Yeah, dancehall something another brother and Sugar Man. Me tape it live. I mean, I know of them. You know, we are youth and them days we are ride one up in here. We have the massive round, me star. 40,000 away and everybody want to join one up in here. Get me? Go in a gyro dance one night and go chat it, virgin. A live sitting in and sugar tape it in a virgin and go. Next day, Sugar go study it and sing it forward, virgin. When me hear Sugar with that, me take my virgin. I must say that me made that hurt me for all them time, the virgin.
Well, and then first me hear them incident like go and see them. Come here, other artists and teach them the same thing.
Yeah, man.
So they go dance, go sing and...
Yeah, man, thief we sit, man. Because them a big artist.
Yeah. So, you know, that's still a go on even to the date. That's still a go on.
Still a go on, man.
Many ideas and, you know, run go sing, you know? On social media, so.
Yeah.
Yes, man. So who's part of they forward from again?
Boy, original I was talking about a St. Andrew up a Golden Spring, Mount Terry, Mount up there, so my original. You get me, I told me about Jubilee, you know, but you know, go a country, go live with the family and thing, and a little youth, and yes, grandmother and mother, and whole family them up the virgin. million of family me have up on the St. Andrew, the brother. So up there nice until man get like in a age I come up and a little youth.
Yeah.
You see, man couldn't take in no more in a virgin. Man run with virgin and come back a
Yeah,
while.
back at all.
You get me? You
Yeah.
me run with a virgin. My stepfather one way to go on, you know. One way to go on near Brandon Hill, you know, virgin.
Yeah.
And me no there dance with girl virgin. And a man see his stepfather forward, you know. And virgin and grab me when he grab up them boy, yeah. Oh you mean you in a dance or I dance with girl virgin? I left me shirt in there and take walkie, you know, virgin. And leave me at 900 and gone in a king.
That time you're old.
Oh that brother, about 16 virgin.
16. Teenage.
Yeah. Tear away in a virgin. I can walk and chalk it walk. Every I can lick up a tree in a very way. I go out in a virgin.
I ain't back at all.
Virgin.
Yeah.
I can't go back at the yard in a virgin. I get beaten in a virgin. So I end up a town virgin.
Last so, I used to get beaten with stick or whistle.
Anything in the electric wire. The electric wire no involved. Then time the electric wire like that never go. And that's sorry jack or some leather belt virgin. Henny sprung.
Yeah.
You see me? I'm there,
alright, so I come back at home. How you evolve into music? How did you get into the music now?
Right? Oh, see boy. You know, so me just when we start, we then a practice team, Maxwell Park. I have a son named Son of Silent. I want named Keystone. I want named Wisdom. I know I open a man school over at Fraxit.
Yeah.
Fraxit. Yeah, your place, you know.
So you used to go to man too?
No, I never used to go there. So.
Oh, see it?
You get me? Yeah. And I saw me there, you know, we are DJ, and then little sound there, brethren. Daddy Hans, Dana P, Black T, and you know.
And what age was that? What age was that? Remember your first time you get to sing on a sound system?
When I sing on sound 16 for me about dance used to go on in my ear, you know, brethren. That's time I go to school too, you know. So about 15, 16, you know.
Same.
You see me?
Yeah.
Papa Roots, the man in sound there in general.
And the man, the DJ, the man, give the mic, the selector, the man, give the mic. I'm not holding the mic for you.
Brother, here, me go make sure help the sound man when the sound truck come from town, you know. We help the sound man, them take off the box, you know. Yeah, so you can't tell me no come with the sound, because me did it for early, me not come out back out of the land there, you know. I sound me come with.
Yeah, I saw you work, you know, you have to lift box first.
Yeah, why have to lift box?
Graduate to the stuff.
Yeah.
Selecting and hold the mic.
Yeah, man. And a man, we have bigger man piece in a virgin. Sometimes you did it early, you go hold the mic when it just start in a virgin. Warm me up in a virgin. So all them niceness, them be the nice virgin.
So you grew up on sound system?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Grew up on sound system, man. Cause my whole of my family in a music virgin. Grandfather. My side a different family, a musician. Another side of me just it in my blood for day one.
So we know you're the singer related, my father. So my mother side or father side?
My mother, you know.
Mother side, see? Yes, man. So what some of the artists that used to they run in the system? Some of the artists them like before you. When you just break in the sound system, I get the mic, I lift back. Who was some of the artists that was around?
Boy, Virgin, Early B, you know.
Early B? Just Early B? You know anybody else?
Listen me now, man. Early B, make it look goodish, but me I start from Ray Symbolic Sound with Rankin Joe.
Oh, Rankin Joe, see?
Yeah. And a youth named Jim Kelly. Youth to DJ Sound and Soul Stamper. First time come up on Mount Friendship, you know. You see me? And at this, when I start, which was the same place where the man beat up the nurse, you know.
Oh, we're going already there?
I hope that's all.
See?
You see me? Yeah.
Stop the violence against women, you know, so, and little child. You know what I mean? Yeah. The same place that's that.
Yeah. I hope that's so. I go see Jim Kelly up on one place near I'm own friendship virgin. But which by the sound place, a little goat more down by the bottom of the road like down there so.
Yeah.
Down there so. I know exactly what that mean go on, you know. Where the man beat up the woman, you know. You get me? You know exactly. You see me? Call up there some used to go to school, you know.
Yeah.
Another place around at Mount James, I go to Mount James School again. I go to Hall School in the Mount Brethren. You know when run away go all different.
Talking about school, what was the upbringing like?
Eh?
What was the upbringing like?
What you mean like?
Like school, like schooling.
Brother, we grew up rough, you know, with school, you know, Brethren.
You grew up with mom and dad in the same home?
No.
So it's kind of rough.
A grandmother I grew up with, you know, again. You get me? My mother, I remember if me and my grandmother, my grandmother used to give me everything. So I don't want to see with my mother in a virgin.
So you kind of middle class then, like Granny could have find dinner and them thing there.
Yeah, man, I was here, man. My grandmother was the head for the fire department, you know.
Yeah.
And she was
the She had a breadwinner. She had a breadwinner, she had a rock, your granny. The grandma.
No, listen. You see the fire department, that are the tree they when they make light posts with. Yeah, then call it the nursery fire department. So my grandmother have a play a part in it, like a second management, or she was some part in the business. We turn up. Where she responds to the plant them, or for the truck them the man them we cut the tree them, tree them to load the truck. But that's what she in a big part of it. So me grew up everything in a brethren.
Yeah, so that's some of me, you know, she was a breadwinner, man.
Yeah, man. But you are giving a different style now. You get me? Yeah, man. I grew up good brethren.
Some of the sound system them when you grew up, you sing. Some of the sound system, you can name some of them.
Brethren.
You sing, man.
The amount of me DJ for every sound at Jamaica.
I didn't have a particular one where I know, so this is my family. And my family sound this. You don't say the sound there, them monks put it.
Brethren, them sound them. You know what I mean, the monks? The one named Kilago and one named Wisdom.
Kilago. Oh, Kilago. Oh,
yeah, come from Papasan. It means a DJ go a papi and go up a guava ridge go DJ. That's a my little sound. You see me? That get play out every Saturday and every Friday night. Because the man did have one little shop where in control, one little bar. So every Friday, you know, them day, you know, them every 2 weeks, you know, all of them people work with the coffee industry and the water commission. And you get me? So a 3 place up there, you know, we get paid on the Friday, you know. You see me? So the sound, the string out, and me was the youth with teeth light.
Teeth light? Wait, so you climb up?
No, bamboo. So long stick with the wire. And fix the wire and hook it. Hook it with a nail so I know if you do it. I attach the top one to the middle one and the middle one to the bottom one. So me at the what you call it? The public service.
Yes.
Brethren, and me put up and me take down. You get me?
So you're one of the vital man then. You're one of the vital man then for the
I want to your brethren, man. Any little thing we go on the light and me set I want their community, man. And me fix our light, man. Cause you know them days, man.
So then you make me money?
No, we don't have no money. You're not giving no money, brethren.
Some people when light chip out and people want left.
Oh, no light chip out, brethren. Light not chip out and me fix back none, brethren. When light chip out, you know, that's gone, you know, brethren. You have to wait till you come back, you know. But as long as light on, you know, and me string up for the sound, you know, brethren. So the sound can't play unless me come, you know. You get me? So when me then, you know, me know Friday day, me know what time to fix up the sound when you catch the light when you have to throw the light across the road, you know. And hang it over another. You get me? So one big truck you to drive past, so we have to wait till the truck they pass through. Because that we tear down when the light load, you know, basket, you know, and key and them things. So we have to wait till the truck they gone now. Then as they move At the pass, me ready for light. I mean just string up and catch back. And so on, yeah, steal and in a tree top in a brethren. I what there, man. Man know say so now and you stay up we are Jericho and know say yes, that's a go on with the stealer. Cause stealer not tree in a brethren. Man walk by you so go like go Brixton, you know. Yeah. Cause they hear the sound that come on, so they know say yeah, that's a go on. Yo, it's a tricky night, you know. Cause you walk come here so when you reach us, you know. Yeah, hear the sound near and when you reach us, so a low shabby there, no? And you walk while low shabby the when you walk while low shabby, you say the cat foot in the virgin. And when you reach cat foot in the virgin, your ears say never comparison, you know. That's so the sound you to trick the virgin. Man, walk up and down all night, virgin.
So all that never happen, what?
Me don't understand, virgin. And the sound.
You turn the box some certain way.
And the box. That thing named Steel Arm, and then put on the tree, them brother.
Oh, yeah.
That played like this, yeah. You get me? That come like at the top end, you know. That make this sound.
Yeah, I remember for two when I youth. You see some Steel Arm, like
Steel Arm, but it's a metal thing.
Metal thing,
yeah. So the man then put you up in a tree and run the wire, go up there. So anyway, they put you up in a tree in a bird tree. You can there yonder, you know. You know, say some dance are going. You see me? Yeah, so you follow the sound and find the dance. You see me? Yeah, man.
So how you make a name in the sound system now? For them, everybody believes that Ruddy as an artist.
You know, say the name no make so.
No, I don't thought the name, you know. Everybody take it serious now, I know. Say,
well, I know, one penny me, you know. When we ride 1 penny, 40 other way, you know. Ugly butter and the whole away, you know. Pay a bicycle in a brethren. And we are leader now, you know. We run the world, you know. No dance, no keep on, we not dead at Jamaica. You see me? Every night we go a dance. All the man keep a dance. We just give a film flyers and we promote the dance.
Yeah.
And we still eat the food. You see me? No time I eat food, no man even knows me I get to promote dance. And all the way I go a dance and I scrape my little thing. You get me? Yeah, man, until now. Brother, I never remember it going a brethren. Meet me a DJ until I start follow. I believe a Jaros. No, me there amongst all the early B me there, brother. Cause that can be teacher, you know. Early B, you get me? And them amongst him and all our way brethren, a DJ brethren, all different sound. We there romantic, no your place, you know. You see me till when I time me, you know, me not left early B, you know, cause I remember early B did do one a penny, you know, one wheel, you know. So me start probably that kind of brethren. Even if I run our copper and pencil on for early B wall, you know, and the way me I said, Doc, Ray, you get me? I go a country with you know. Cause Jaro come pick them up, you know.
Yeah.
So when Jaro come in a fire, early B go in our house, you know. Doc say, yeah man, Ruddy we not left you tonight, cause you have to forward and cause me go mix Jaro one night, you know, and they like the mix.
Oh, see?
Yeah.
They
like how me mix it. You see me? So Doctor said when Jaro come, you just go in a car, cause more man dead, you know. Super cat them and some more man, you know, Virgin. Virgin, me just, you see a Jaro park, and at the middle of the car seat, me just so, you know, that means me not take up no man's seat, you know. You can't let me out. And I middle, so man can't see you down next man. Yeah. So,
the window seat.
Me no want to win that. Me just find I can't go at the dance. You see me? And I did so man, I doctor give me my name, man.
See?
You get me? Yeah.
So
I start work now, me just did it now and the boss I say, Mr. Pastor Ruddy here, go and see how you know. Start them on Jaro now and me find out Jaro give me one little thing going on in a strong cut price still, you know. I say this thing I won't hear virgin, me get we go mix sound. I mean a DJ upon it too, you know. Cause when we go there with all the sound and the VW van, you know. Yeah, take off the box, put on box one. I mean I left, you know, cause Jara nice sound in Jamaica. Brother, me no want left Jara go away, so me fully fit in now.
Yeah.
I work with Jara sound now, you know. So the boy can't tell me nothing, you know. You see me? So I saw me there, the brethren, and just the roping and the thing nice, brother, and they know. Ninjaman, you know. When in the ugly.
And Ninja usually run the system on the south. Ninjaman.
Ninjaman. Ninja was a rude boy, you know. You get me? But Ninja them a DJ sound a mall road near King Afro.
King Afro, yeah.
Yeah. Him had the Murphy and Turfic and them man there.
Turfic.
Right
yes,
side, yeah.
Yeah,
Right side of the yard a mall road. You get me? But Ninja them a terrorist, you know. Ninja them you get me?
Gangster.
Ugly man.
Yeah.
Ugly man. Yeah. Ugly man. In this avenue. Ninja them go on a mad. Enough thing Ninja them a rude boy still, you know, but you know Ninja not trouble nobody, you know. Some bad man round Ninja. But Ninja, you get me? Ninja not trouble nobody. Ninja just all frighten you with him mouth all them sitting there. You get me? Gold gag and a front teeth, rare. And me, Jaro, son, go call Ninjaman, you know. Me, Jaro, let me tell you the night. In period, one song name, in period, from the Catherine Pen.
Yeah,
That Irie, with that Irie, me that play. And Jeremy Lee, the same guy where me that play Jaro sound after Pacha left. He ends the first, you know. That he ends it, and Pacha, you know, after Pacha left, Jeremy Lee take it up, you know. After Jeremy Lee take it up now. After Jeremy Lee take it up, you know. No, we reach this. So Jaro call me now. And say, Ruddy, more you go for ugly, you know. So me jump across the gully bank and go for Ninja over my road, you know.
Yeah.
And say, Ninja, you go, I'm sorry, I want you, you know. So me come for you know, because Hin Period and Jaro in a bamboo land, you know.
So what I'm saying, Charlie, you are making name, them time Ninja.
Ninja in bad man. I'm the DJ for Hin Period. You get me, but I'm King Afro.
So Jaro didn't want him to come across.
Jaro want him to come on the sun. That's why Ninja come on Jaro, so I'm me go for him, you know. Because my boss send me for him, you know. So Ruddy go, I'm to them Ninja, ugly, go, you know.
Yeah.
Because in period bad, you know, so in period have whole heap of DJ, June, and Cat, and the whole of them, you know. You get me?
See it?
Enough, man, Daddy, Wayne, German, the amount of artists with them in period. Jaro saying, we know the place, we are going to be ugly, you know.
Yeah.
And we round there long and night now, Ninja forward and the boss. So yeah, man, boom. You get me? Little Twitch them on the sun. Jaro son.
Yeah, look at Twitch.
Yeah.
The America now.
Yeah. But Little Twitch is the Mike Shark. Little Twitch all people when I'm tune and Shabba say low Ruddy tune, you know. Yeah, man, Little Twitch treat when I'm tune, man. Shabba tell him below the tune, brethren.
Shabba tell him below the tune.
Yeah. So, dance nice, you know. Ninjaman want the mic and teach a whole mic for Ninja. My part Ninja. Ninja stretch, mic passing. Got the artist grab.
That's a Panjaro song.
So Ninja couldn't take it no more, you know, brother. Embarrassment that, you know.
Yeah.
Everybody are looking, you know. Ninja pop out in 3-star chicken. And touch him. Joke him. I want to hear, man.
I thought the MC, the main.
What? Look at Twitch.
Okay.
Ninja joke like a Twitch. Yo, brother, fine.
So look at Twitch that keep the dance.
No,
he was one of the main artists.
No, I'm not a main artist. He's just the Panjaro son.
Oh.
Can't really be them not forward yet. As simple as right, that's how really be live. But you know, Ninja come in on Kajaro side fortnight that Ninja was.
Oh, okay. First.
Labor pan the sound now, a bamboo land, him I go get it the proper job.
Yeah.
Because Twitch I hold him like, what Ninja Papa for a chicken.
So first night Ninja, you got me the damage.
I want to, man. When Ninja come to the dance gate, you never swear Ninja go through, you know, and wish my walk, you know. Ninja fast like Ninja criminal, you know.
It's a joke man cut.
Joke man. Fear fence. You get me, and man, that's a rare, you know, a big thing, you know, because remember, you know, Mall Road and Twitch compound and Catherine Pen Road, you right side everywhere. Bigger thing, you know, because, you know, Mall Road and, you know, it go, you know, the politics thing, so, I believe I really be them kind of cool it up, you know, and you get me, and the boss, Jaro said, talk to Twitch, and you go that, it just done, you get me, and Everybody live again, you get me?
Yeah. So Jaro was the last son that you DJ pan?
Nah, man. Me left Jaro and go like Jammies, you know.
Oh, see?
I mean, Jaro did school out the DJ, you know. I saw me go a Jammies for bite one day, Jerry, me and Jammies, me and Shabba now, you know.
So this record, the first one to five?
My first record.
Jammies.
A Jammies.
See?
First tune,
What year was that?
1990.
1990, yeah.
And then Jammies put up the record. If you look on the album, you know, Star of the 90s.
Yeah. And then I'm in school, man, I tell you that tune run road till, you know. Jerry, I'm Jerry Kartel, used to be Jerry Kartel. Yeah, man.
I want to, man.
Yes, man.
I make Jamaica people them pretty, you know.
Yeah, cool.
Everybody here pretty now. I want to tell you, Sugar Mine at Jerry Kartel, you know.
Yeah.
And Sugar Mine at the team, me tune, you know. We made hard for growing a black pepper grain, you know. Yeah. We make them on the year look like cool, you know.
Yeah, Jerry Kartel like S-Curl.
I want to Jerry Kartel.
So what the difference with S-Curl and
No, S-Curl in I pick it to if you can't Jerry or S. You get me?
That's how I ask, yeah.
You just rub it. You get me? Brother, me make everybody turn cool here at Jamaica.
Yeah, but that's who they run road.
I want to tell my youth, man. Then I saw me a move, man.
Yeah, man, run road.
You get me?
So this is the thing kick off, man, there, Jerry.
Yeah. See? And me do a next tune to steal it.
So how did that come about, the one day, Jerry? You got Jammies?
You know where they are Jammies. Them days there,
So my first record or you first record or two other record one time?
Oh. Me and Shabba? No, let me tell you what's going on. When you're there Jamaica, you know, one time they are Jammies, you know. The whole away in a studio. All away, Captain Barkley, Penny Harris, Preacher Joe. Whole away, Quenchy, Ronnie Tweet, Little Robert, Derek Irie, Gregory Peck. Name it. You see me?
Yeah.
So, I'm have a little style and if you know that and me hear your little punchline, you know, and me come the early night, man, and I remember you look at me sing your little thing. That's how it going on.
Yeah, man.
You get me? So we make up this now. You get me? We are say, and me as a Penny. Make we buy the tune me and you. Penny at talk about him now on the tune there. He now buys that. He buy that tune. You can't shock out. So me just saying, me and Shabba talk power and our brethren. Me no left Shabba and Shabba no left me. I mean, me like every day, you know.
Yeah.
Me see Shabba, you know.
See.
Every day. Me see
Shabba did Jammies, isn't it?
Huh?
You was a jamming artist, right? Jammies?
No, man. The Shabba, me and Shabba drive going to Jammies, you know. From Bay Farm Road, you know. And Shabba.
So how the link come with you and Shabba? How the link come about with you and Shabba?
Then the link come from through some down the people and Mario. When the link come with Ninjaman and you get me? And the whole way apart, brother. You see me? So me and Shabba go to Jammies, you know, And Shabba, I believe Shabba me over Miss Blossom, you know. Because a lady who cross the road there, you know, we cook food, everybody eat. Nice woman. So fat man now, through me again Jammies and Jammies, Mama Iris, Jammies' wife, kind of check for me.
Yeah.
You get me? Jammies say, here we go on. Jammies, fat man call me and say, Ruddy, me going to studio now in the car. You know, we are doing one thing out there and we are still getting a dub plate and things. So, man, because we have to tune them to, you know.
Yeah.
You get me? And we are doing dub for all different sound. So, me mostly know Jammies want me for debunks him, you know. Because me at, you know.
Yeah.
You get me? I mean, name big. Yeah, because when we go down, me name did from one a penny Jammies, I hear me name in the road here because they do play tune about me, you know. And me can do my little thing and me a DJ.
Yeah.
So fat man, so Ruddy, you know, so I'm rhythm there. The tune me hear that thing, you know. It a match it, you know. I say, play it, me hear the rhythm now. And when me fat man play it, you know, with the front of the mixing board, that's why, you know. And fat man play it. I say, it's only go here still boy kind of. You get me?
Yeah.
So I say, fat man, turn on the ear can then, I go to the voice in the room, you know. And fat man, turn your hand, brother.
No itching.
Yeah, man, and rhythm start beating, and I go around there, one lick in a brethren.
Yeah, one take.
Yeah, one cut in a brethren. Me go, so one day, Jerry, 2 day, Jerry, Jerry. Fat man, stop it. I said, come here, Ruddy.
Yeah.
Start again.
Hit, double up.
No, he said, Ruddy, back on it.
Yeah.
Go on again.
Yeah, but double
I him stop me, you know.
Mm.
Cause me know me ride it good, you know.
Yeah.
But it's sweet him. Him give me the rhythm.
Double device.
Yeah, come like
Yeah.
him have something to do with the rhythm. They look like him. Him help build the rhythm with it, with must steal them. I don't know how to build the rhythm, you know.
Yeah.
But the rhythm they build. And him say, yeah, I'm go around the back and go chop it.
Mm.
Do it for me chip out, you know.
Yeah.
And go out and do it, go to rank, see how I go on. You know, me put something on the rhythm, more you go in and go hear it, you know. And rank say, give me a minute. And then in there.
History.
That's a fire. Come on, brethren. It takes so long, brother. Come in and watch them and jump back in the car, you know. And gone, you know, because you never move, you know, brethren.
Opportunity that gone.
No, in that flat me still, but that day there.
No, me at the moment, man.
Yeah, me no want cut.
You want it right? No, yeah, right.
Me just stay there, me no left in my around. So I go, just come listen to it, brother. Come listen to the rhythm. And Mr. Fat man drop that. When Mr. Shabba come, me just run in before him reach the gate, you know. And say, Fat man, just go and beat the rhythm and beat my voice. And Shabba go in there and me see him step on and me see him look for me and smile. And I say, go around there, brother. And the man go around there, man, and listen when he say, put on the ear can and listen when he say, I'm just a dance film part, you know.
Yeah.
That's what you tune by, you know.
And you love it, okay.
All right, away, brethren.
History.
Mm.
Scene.
Right away, brethren. Now, when that touch now, you know, fireman.
Touch road.
The next day, you know, Fat man make jam his ear, you know. Jam is wheeling towel 2 times, big white towel. So come here, my boy. You're on the rank to suck me, you know. Don't left the yard, you know. That jam is no warm. I come out and through the yard, you know. I turn down now, you know. Because my voice with jam is, you know. I want to hear my youth, man. You're done, you know. I start talking loud in the yard now, you know.
They say, graduate.
Jam is wife, who Iris love me, you know.
Promotion.
I want to hear, man.
Promoted.
Sharon in that, I love me. John love me. The whole of Jam is picked them like me. So I did so it now. Me and Harry start par now, because you are going more and Jam is make this tune reach #1, you know. Me no par with Jam is, you know, me par with him wife.
Yeah.
We 2 of them sleep on same bed, same pillar. So when Jarvis me and my friend and Cherry down a town, Hattie Cherry, you know. Iris I say, Ruddy, come here, my boy. And I'm going to town, but no arcade go check Cherry. Yo, you want to see me? Ready me now make it. Oh, me have done me have best son.
Yeah.
Because me know she have to make some speech when she and Jam it a lie down and talk say. The king, you know, it's a Ruddy and nice. Yeah, Iris, my power with the wife.
See?
And brethren. Tune get run with brethren.
Yeah, true, run with true.
Run with brethren. They play a traffic on Thursday night, brother. At 7 times that play in a brethren.
And the parade too, man.
Brethren. I want to hear my youth, man. They should like the world, man.
Yeah, like the world, man.
Brethren. Brethren, make it burn down traffics. Make it them that are the engineer. One of the engineer, you know, go tell Jamis. Say, King, you see he through the road and Shabba do. He mash up Stone Love the night of traffics. Brethren. Jamis call me, come here, my boy. I hear you throwing me, boy. Come in the office, you know. I start get all phone from the secretary of the bar. People call me and know because I tune mash up, you know. Marcia call me, tell the man them, yo, call Ruddy, somebody up on the phone. I'm done shit busy, you know. You get me?
So what did that song do for you? Did for you and
hold on, no. So that man boom bang and me I get pay work now. Everything now me start every sound from America, Canada. And me I run the program. When they want to do me then call long, you know, and send them money, you know. Yeah. Come give me more 2 pinchers, more a Sanchez. You know, it go, you know, because we are all criminal, you know. me get the bag of money. I 3 times for 1 Thursday. I remember me go out Western Union up half a tree, you know. The one in Plaza there, but collect, you know. As me reach, you know, the collect and move up, taxi man and drop me down. You get me back at Jammys and me did it again, Marcy. I said somebody there on the line, me have to go back to Western Union and more money and come in the budget. One day me a Jamis call me up. That time I give Pietro bro in a Jamis studio. Cause me I don't know, you know. I remember Jam down my bath and I Jam run round there, you know. Virgin. Jamis say, come here, my boy. If you behave yourself, why make you go to Canada? Virgin fam, here the Canada business.
So what kind of trouble you used to get?
Eh?
What kind of trouble you used to get?
You make trouble in a Jamis, man, loud and everything.
Mustard and everything.
Yeah, mustard. A wee man, Captain Bark, if you say something wrong, you know, I tell a man, boy, why you come? You never say that across and make you dead one of that, you know. See, I know you're talking, you know. And the Ninjaman, him know him, love the mustard. You see me? Brother, it was so nice, Virgin.
Yeah, man, so
Jammy say, boom. Ruddy, you were going. But Jammy, me have the eyes on me, you know. You know, say, I go, because Harry's talking in ears, you know. Jammy say, Ruddy, I'm going to make you go and fire in Canada, you know. Brother, I have no passport. My brethren, me say I do eradication. And a big man police Denzo down there, you know. Because call Denzo, you know. Up a chida man, I go check him and say, Father, more you line up, me say, he say, where your birth paper? So me have him, man. He say, bring him, come and come eradication. Carry your passport. Brethren, I want to your general, man. 2 days, man. 2 days, Denzo call me and say, yo, passport there, you know. What the fuck do you man? Go choose him, you go check him, you know, and pick up my passport, you know. Because the police, remember him really run on sway, you know. Top than that, you know. Everybody love him, you know. Then you know, lock up people, you know. Then we tell you, say, you out here, your name a call in a station, you know. Behave yourself. Virgin. Jamie said, bring my passport. Come get Uncle T carry go and you can Jamie's brother, you know. Virgin, go for embassy, you know. Canadian embassy, you know, Virgin. Remember, me go me. Caperton, Gregory Peck, Snakey, I believe Anthony Malvo. And we are going to Canada, you know. Virgin, remember Caperton now, me do Gumbo Road, you know. I go to Canada about 2 times before me, you know. And my little tune, you know. One day, Jerry, I had the tune here, Ruddy. I remember that because I boy look. And big house now, whole woman again, rent at the next tune there. So they request me. And Jamie said, Ruddy, carry on to go for you, Kingston, and passport, and we get to sit them.
Yeah.
These are stamp. Remember, you know, Jamie said, like the plane will left 3 o'clock, you know, in the evening, you know, brethren. Canada, we are going, you know. Lion. I found the night, I go to the airport, you know. Go sleep out there, you know, because this plane, you know, left me, you know.
First time you go on a plane.
Once I go on a plane, Canada, I go for. Yes, when daylight at 3 o'clock, you know. Plane I go lift, you know. Virgin. At 9 o'clock, me there airport, you know. The plane not left me. You mad? My first flight.
So you go there and wait for the rest of the morning.
I eat patio at the airport like week. Me I wait for the man, you know. Forward, you know. Me sit down at the airport, me walk the whole airport, me go out there, so me come back. Me go out on the sea, out me come over in night, brother.
Then tell you go on the top of the airport.
Yeah, I go up, you can't go up on the top of the lookout. I watch the plane take off. Yeah. Brethren, me wait for the man there, me drink orange juice, me drink jelly coconut man in front of the airport. No man, me can't see come, brethren. Brethren, then long after about 1 o'clock, me see monster, me see snake roll, then me see burger prep, me see rascal.
Man a forward it.
Man a come in here now, me just make sure I go at the line paper, at the Canadian thing line me going up. And no man, me not go back, you know. This plane not left in me, son. Lion. Either the front me there, second.
What did I left you?
I left me there airport so long away from the mad brethren.
And you feel at the back of the line, man?
No, you know, me not see no back. Me not going back, I'm there the first.
You know what, I say plane full.
Yeah? You must say, man, me go yes a plane full, can't carry nobody else. You must... Lion.
So you say you do one day, Jerry, and it open doors here.
Yeah, it just open door for me and me start. You get one that me and move and get called miracle. Just we get called miracle.
You that tour with Shabba or you was touring by yourself?
By myself.
So the tune, you not perform the tune together?
Me and Shabba never. Only now we could dance, we might do it like in a Waterhouse or Heat Wave.
Cause the tune is big, you know.
Yeah, man. Shabba no gonna foreign, man. Shabba gonna foreign. Maybe I know
After
tune
that,
Shabba did do, you know.
Shabba did it before that, yeah.
The whole heap of tunes, so them book Shabba Canada and them plays America. Shabba gonna let me and them.
I'm check say I get booking with him.
And then me now tell you, brethren. Boy, I mean, I want so, in a brethren. You see me?
Yeah, cause if me do a tune and the tune take off, if people are book you, but most likely book you to come perform the song, innit?
Me just ban bad luck in brethren. You see me?
But that's what you do, so you do. You get the flag up.
What me do, I still rate Shabba even. Yeah. You get me? I rate him for that same way.
Yeah.
Cause you know we heart clean. Shabba me general still, you know.
Yeah, man.
Boy, when me do for Shabba, nobody else do that. Me used to go for Shabba clothes on my mother, you know, brother. I see you know. Me used to hire all Shabba clothes.
Yeah.
And every day me and Shabba par, you know.
See.
Rich the Benjamin par with Shabba like me, you know. Me and Shabba go at some place. You know, so me get all a cut in my back for Shabba. I'm over here. Papasan cut me, you know.
Papasan? Oh, the blouse and skirt, I say.
Me bust me linen shirt.
Christian Papasan?
No, me silk shirt. Yeah, man.
So why that?
You know, so we go to Mobile. Papasan dip on the shore. Right near the airport street, you know. You get me in one place, then I keep it, you know. When you go to the airport, you know. But Shabba, we go there first. And when you take a sack, Sasa, that a son, we use to manage son. They make son a work before Shabba. So me go there and I said, so I want to make son a work and we there and Shabba no work it. Son I am friendly for Spanish so like they run them. Son take time rush me with 2 more man. And I see the man a bus pop out the ratchet cut me and catch me shirt, Bridget, and I just leave him. You get me? And I true me go say, oh son for work before Shabba. Man, you get me? Son can't work, you don't know Bridget. Shabba weed in the first and him come
Shabba,
you get me? A big up Shabba Bridget. Yeah, man, Papasan cut me in my back. You know, catch my back in my skin in the boy. Bust my silk shirt. You see me?
And a silk beat though.
And the same shirt there, you know. With a suit, you know, a Shabba bring it from Canada for me too, you know. Can't forget it, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. And son was a boy when me used to yo, son used to big me up. Me don't know what go on in the brethren. It look like him allude in the night, yeah, movie, you know. Come here to the Leeds and limited up a Walton Park Road, you know. So I'm all with Papasan, you know.
Yeah.
Leeds. And my bridging them son, the man used to fix bike, you know. On a Monday night. Yeah. Near to Boy Farm Road. Up there, so ram the whole of Walton Park Road, ram in the bridging. And Sam used to big me up. Papasan used to big me up.
Yeah.
As we ride in. And then see the bicycle, son call me name. Kind of know the balance of man name, you know.
Yeah, I know. So 1 penny, Ruddy.
1 penny, Ruddy Irie.
Yeah.
So I never know what go on, brethren.
I never diss him. You never diss him, I just ask.
Me just ask. Me I say, oh, son can't work. Oh, son I work. Sasa, oh, soon I make son work before Shabba. And argument chick up, brother. I know me not say nothing in the brother. Me just hold my shirt by cut, you know.
See.
You see me, cause I'm up here, me there in the brethren.
So then the performer on the cut?
No, man, Shabba work, man.
Shabba work, I never apologize for nothing to you.
No, him no apologize. Me not see him like them cut, you know. Cause some man from Mobile we used to carry jar up down there in a Jared Park. Bantan and them man there. Then here, you know. Until we get sick, you know. You get me? Cause the man they are jar up and love, you know.
Yeah.
You get me? And then yes, man. Me never make it public, brethren. I've heard me talk all that now, you know.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yes, sure. Big up Papasan. Christian, you know, pastor.
But that did go on, and I want to tell you, me and Dirtsman, you know, was best friend in a brethren, and General TK, you know.
See?
You see me? Boy, me just born bad luck with brethren, and me one of the realest youth brethren. Brethren, the amount of thing when me do for artists in a fire, man. I ask you some man I go on in the fire. Brethren, me DJ upon every sound, me give every sound, make every sound. You have a son here, Super Saint. Roadstar. Squad 51. Here is Inner City. White Star. Virgin. Gemini, Stone Love, Lee's and another Lee's from out of St. Thomas.
Yeah.
You have a son here, Slice Sick, Moby, Pieces, Tickamute. Alright, I'll show you great. You know, on Gilbert Forward, you know, you catch me on Shabba. Hart Street, you know, Moby, you know. A DJ son here and Tickamute, you know. Concord and them sound there, you know, brother. Every sound at Jamaica have a tune for me.
Yeah, remember some of them sound.
Yeah, man. Me can name sound, virgin. One sound never have no dub to me. And a Jack Ruby. Because you know them days, them no use dub.
Yeah.
DJ, Jack Ruby, book artist, coming down and plays. I want Music Avenue, I watch you come DJ. You know what time I DJ in a Jack Ruby place, brother? You see all Jack Ruby son? His name Brad. Let me go to Jamaica now and just walk there. Make good. Right side of Irie FM.
Yeah.
You see me? I run off the place. So. Brethren have some sound of St. Mary, brethren, Portland, brethren, St. Thomas, brethren. Brethren, every sound there at Jamaica have a dub to me.
See? Are you there ready, man?
The more sound, dub where depend on sound. A Gemini have the more. Glama we and tell them that you know already, you know. Glama we and tell them that already, you know, bus driver link up, you know. So major at Gemini dub, Ruddy Dep and all of them, and I Ruddy bring in the artists and intro them. Every artist, Freddie, name them, Ken Booth, John Holt, Berries, Gregory, name all of the singer them. And me introduce them. I mean, the drink, and me used to bring them in.
Yeah, see.
You get me? Every sound, all that sound, cassette name, Canon. I want your brethren, man.
And that means you pave the way safe enough. And the artists them know.
Brethren, if you dig up the record box, you find a Ruddy Irie. 3 Ruddy Irie from one sound.
So now, man, if you each play Ruddy Irie right now.
Yeah, no, man, if you each play me right now, brother, them things grieve me more time in a brethren. You see me? Them things grieve me more time when me there in a lion foot. You see me?
Yeah, man,
you have some select. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 selectors. I know about you. Definitely play me through. Nah bias. But some of them on the radio station.
Yeah.
But you have one there where always him have in there like, yo, brother, me have all them man there like my family, brother. You have so next one in a brethren. A hypocrite them, biggest hypocrite them in a brethren. You see what I say? Only when them see you, them might.
Yeah.
But sometimes you have to bend up your face and them and make them know so and you're going to dance. Yo, boy, you have a tune tonight, you know. And through them see and know so you're artist, you're no bad man, yeah? We are no bad man. Then, brother, miss enough of them in a brother. I'm only pull up them play for you know. And hear people talk about some of them in a general. You get me? And man we supposed to play me tune. When me I come from one place. One place, one lane, 1 year and I play me tune. Every night you hear him dig up some man that dance. One set of man. And he says some fish business go on, some shit in a plate. I'll select that shit in a plate right now, brethren. Cause girl catch them.
Yeah.
Girl catch them. Girl no see man, girl man, me say, me no know who still, you know. But me say one selector, you know. Over here, girl, and take a girl number. I look like you know your phone and you take up your phone. And I press. It look like you go touch the picture button.
The photo button.
And sit and sit there. And the girl say, why is that? Yeah. No man, phone. Virgin, let me tell you something.
They suppose a film thing.
Virgin. Girl, must know virgin, so girl attack. Attack, you know, they want me here. The fuck there, man. True, me know what, yo. Virgin. Some boy, a fish boy, yeah.
Go on.
Shit up. They don't hear the argument. Me and some woman attack, you know.
Yes, I look so still, but.
Oh, you mean? So you say no me alone yet, so the man can't say. Me say nothing, me not say nothing, you know. Me hear argument. Everywhere me go, me hear say. Me hear say select a fish, shit up plate and enough, man. You get me? And man in a dance. So I said, yo, I lie. Because I not too, you know how long I go and dance, brother. I'm going to dance and find me last. Name a call, brother, but them not tell me. Enough people me here say it, brother.
I'm afraid that's what I gotta do with that chip.
You know when my chip in a brethren. Me no care.
What did I tell you?
You get me? Brethren, me know you hear the argument, brethren. Because me hear some video. That girl called me from where? Up the motorway. Up so. In a Yorkshire and call me and tell me if I not see the video yet. And she said she going to send me come show me one lady attack. One who want
So
eat in a dance hall. She said them send it, but she not send it yet.
So
And yesterday she called me, I call I'm glad you remember me this.
Said out there then.
Huh?
That means said out there.
The video out there, the woman attack. That make the girl tell me. The girl tell me now. You know see the video where the woman attack?
Oh, the woman attack. Okay.
Say man in a dance I shit up.
No, I'm not see video.
Yeah. Me not know yet, but me I gonna know.
Yeah.
Me I gonna know, but they don't want to tell me the brethren.
So what is some of the places you travel?
Eh? Why? Me travel the whole America. Canada my place. Me go Cayman. And me go Antigua. Yeah, and me go America. Remember me did the America, you know. Come like me did live America, because 7 years me over there, you know. Go and come, you know.
Go and come, see.
Me drive all for America, you know, from Connecticut, go to Canada, you know. When me reach, I went me run. I was crossing here, Buffalo or I remember when I go cross and you have to show them and pay one money.
Yeah.
And show them your passport and go cross the border. At Buffalo or Mississauga. One of them places, brother. But me in Canada, because you know me I go to Canada a long time. Canada, me go to Canada and go back to America. Go to Canada, go back to Jamaica, go back to America. Yeah. Canada my place. So, yeah, Andrew Fresh no call me one day and say, Ruddy. Andrew in the hotel where me that stay now in Canada, you know. Andrew in my town, you know. Jane and Flint, you know. Andrew Fresh called me and say, Ruddy, you mean in your town, you know. You get me? Me say, which part you there? He say, him there. You know, Jane and Flint. Me say, where you there? Him say, him there at the hotel. Me say, where you there see like side of the hotel? Look over if you see the mall. Him say, yeah, man. Where you sit next door to the hotel? He must say the police station. Me say, in my town. I want to hear, man. So some make a selector boy, I when I play with you. Brother can't talk to me. You understand? Lion foot. Remember you with them see a Bronx, you know?
Yeah, man.
Long Island, you know? You see me, you send that come show me, I'm here your chat, you know? New Jersey, you know? Some boy know them places. I want to talk loud. Me no want to give me no flower, you know? Tell them already, you know? Give me my strength and my glory, brother.
Glory, I true, man. You ready in glory, man. I can't get Lion foot the glory to, you know?
Brother.
We need the support, man. Musically, because all of we their party and their dance and years we there run one another, you know what I mean?
Brother, look away, people.
Music, man.
People, look into this, people, if me wrong. You there dance at night time. Yeah? And them a play some artists at Jamaica where they can't chat to. And you in at the dance with the man, they have good song. We're mad. Well, I'm glad for internet, you know. Because you know why? The people them are see.
Yeah, social media, yeah, man.
Social media beat me thing there. The whole world are play me through them. The lady named Talia from Irie FM. I'm a friend that.
Yeah, man, Talia, yeah.
Talia, Power. Play me through. You know, can't chat to me. I don't care. Brother, suppose me that show up. Suppose music me that live up. I know me drop down. You get me? Billy Slaughter with the radio station beat me through in Jamaica. Billy Slaughter thing link up with I believe in America, somewhere down in America there. Yeah, when him play at Jamaica, America it link. Because when him the America, it link back to Jamaica when him dip on the radio. You get me? Brother, the people them the whole of Gambia want me right now. We get all call to go to Gambia. Ask GNR.
Yeah.
Ask GNR about who needs sparkling black. I mean, I you need sparkling black.
Yeah.
Cool, man. So you see me not tell lie, brother. The whole of St. Martin a call me, brethren.
Yeah, man. So we don't just sparking back last for you, man. You know, yeah, man. So yeah, bro.
Yeah, man. See, man,
But the first man, I bring me guys through the man.
yeah, man. Wait till you see me first man carry us through that.
Yeah, man.
Then a glove, man, a pay love and love alone, man. God is the greatest. You get me? Brethren.
But why you think that, because not just you alone are complaining, enough other artists over here, even myself, I'm not complaining, I know Mr. Man, I'm humble, you see me? But more than you see me? My character different from you.
You can't too humble.
We are facing the same situation.
So I go on right now. You can't humble against them, brother. You know, me not humble on them. Me a beat them bad. Because I'm not afraid of boy.
But why you think that is, though?
Me a big artist. Snoop Doggy Dogg, I'm a friend. Who never DJ Manchester Square Garden yet. Who never played there yet. Eh? Who know Act 3 Club.
No, but let me ask you, why you think it is that way? Them not really support the art. No. Some DJ do it, you know, you know what I mean? Some DJ play some artists.
God bless the one that we are playing.
Yeah.
God bless you, know. Yeah.
But the one, your friend where you know and good with, and then say I not play a song, them like me, see way to I'm not just selected to families and friends, you know. I saw me preach, you know, families and friends, select a bridging, where we grew up with and come from the same place. They not play music. And the whole away. Grew up together, them know that I said,
yeah.
I'm a try boss, you know, Ruddy Irie. Long time Ruddy Irie, that thing, and I'm fair back a tune, you know. But them not do it.
Them not help.
They think it's a money thing. Money, they don't believe in the UK. The music will come from the UK. Where do you think it is?
Me know.
Because you
say a couple select and a money thing towards me. I mean, I think a money thing towards the some next artist. Me know who me attack.
So you think the
money involved?
You think?
Because a man want money to play, you know, because me have you tell me that, artists tell me that. A man so they not pay none of them boy, yeah. Man tell me that, artists tell me, brethren.
Yeah, so you think money thing is one of the issue too. You think they may believe this song them are the standard as Jamaica, coming from Jamaica, the same standard. And when we say standard, me attack like mixing, voicing,
no man. Mixing a master. No matter where it mix, you're gonna get a better quality from Jamaica. Cause every studio at Jamaica, you know, have a pit, you know.
Yeah, a pit.
A pit where the water run and it connect to. So you get the hollowness. So you get the drive there, the thump there. Yeah, no, from the pit, the sound there. You get the beat there, powerful.
Yeah.
But watch you know, a man can't just string up something in there, so you know. A laptop and say invites a tune, you know. You can't get the quality there.
Yeah, you can't get the quality. But music changed now, guys. You have no songs of voice in a place like this, bedroom.
Yeah.
And they got hit.
Yeah, get big.
Good quality.
But yeah, good quality. But some of them not a structure.
Music changed now.
You
have some.
You think change?
You have software and plugins.
We
are giving the same sound. We are coming from Jamaica now.
Yeah.
So I think it's the way of maybe the artist or the producer who are mixing sound.
Brethren.
And the plugins where they might use. Music changed now.
Brother, I feel like.
So I feel like it should be like the music if you come from Jamaica for them play it. Once the music good them for play it.
Yeah.
You know? And when I say if you don't mix good them for play it, you know, because you know. Yeah. Some see that good and say, boy, this no mix good at the quality lower, you know.
Okay.
But you have enough songs that are good, man. A good mix.
Brother, all of my songs they mix good, brother. Because I'm not idiot. When my song them a mix, me did the brethren. I mean know the people them my voice for. You get me? If my voice for, I support my voice here. Me send it go get the man where me know can deal with it. Yeah.
And that me do too. When my voice sometimes I say we'll get mixed.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Me don't want to mix them. You know what I'm saying? We'll get mixed.
All right. And Bucket Joe can mix.
Yeah, being a Bucket Joe, man, Bucket Joe doing thing.
Yeah, because you go. You see the tune there? The last one, yeah?
Happy and Free. Yeah, man, big song.
A Bucket Joe song. And you know, so Peter Metro called me at Jamaica.
That mix good, man. Sound good. Quality, everything.
Peter Metro called me at Jamaica. And so Ruddy, Thick Monk, the selector, yeah. The engineer, we mix that.
I know your sound, yeah.
Brethren, at 3 weeks straight, a dancehall third, the Peter Metro play me tune down there.
To be honest, I'm fair, but we give Bucky Joe credit and him flowers. Bucky Joe know him thing. And yeah, the song that whenever I see Bucky Joe, the quality there, man. Standard up. You know what I mean? But
how much song? About 5 songs to 6 songs my voice Bucky Joe. You know?
Headphone party was Bucky Joe.
Headphone party. I put them tune there, brother. I mean, I remember I put them tune.
Happy and free, man.
And feel like. Be a bad mind, acting a band in a dancehall. A bucket tune them tune it. Have to touch the road, a bucket tune them.
Quality up, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, we don't know still, but me personally, when I Jamaica, I get different energy, you know?
Brother.
Regarding my career.
Brother.
Song them play and...
The man them, let me tell you how I feel like,
Remember that Jamaica, man, link from an art. DJ from over here link me.
Yeah.
Dub plate and them thing there.
Yeah.
And song and...
Yeah.
I remember there, them not show the same energy. I don't know why. You know?
Why? I don't know, brother. I don't know the world. I must say, I don't know what going on.
I'm not happy no matter what music, so we just want to do the thing. As we say, give thanks to social
media. Brother, my father Jamaica, when you see me down there. Brethren, after me rub out mackerel, you know, and niggerel me go work, you know. After that, you know, me get bookings, you know. And then me get bookings at Portland, you know.
So when you say rub out mackerel, what do you mean?
You know, I remember mackerel I talk about. You remember when me and me mix up when I talk about what me killing change?
Kill me change.
Hey, when kind of change me kill?
Kill me change.
The boy can't send me. Because when me know mackerel now, a Kentire mackerel I come from, you go pop in and go over the river, you go
swing
in.
You know mackerel for a long time? You know mackerel from a long time?
I know him, but me and him was a friend. Mackerel run here and go America.
When did the same studio?
No. Me and mackerel never book up a nut studio. When mackerel are gone, you know, and New Kingston, that time I ride 1 penny, you know. We are youth that mackerel. We are watching mackerel up as Cinema One night with DJ up there, you know. You get me? My brother named Bingy. I have a brother named Pepsi. Them was my friend. Me and mackerel and a friend. Me remember mackerel used to come check Ninjaman. For money. And Ninja said, Ruddy, I would that. Me say, mackerel. Ninja give me a thing to go give him. Ninja said, give him a grand. Me say, grand. All a 5 and hold back my 5. You know, one lad I go up a Cosmos Christian go check Shabbat. Same thing. So every spin and me running that. You get me? And I'm money go look for Ninja and Shabbat. So home if it you change and me a power with man we have money. You can't send number one mackerel couldn't send me out lion foot. You can't come a wild and can send me out. And over place where 10 tire you come from. You can't live so far from over cross swinging bridge, come at Waltham, come send out bad people. You see, boy, I tell lies. So that's why I go to Jamaica, go rub it, go fix him. But dancehall there. You forgot. You know, rub it can't rub her. It's dead there, I'll long it there from my phone.
So if you did it,
oh, I mean, you see, look side of me, how you sit turn up and turn up so. Turn up so. Look like, you know, the man that, when I tell me, I go take out a 20 and give him some mackerel. You see the change where you say, you see a 20. But I say, nah, sorry for him, you know. This boy a liar, you know. And then I look. So
we got mackerel, you know, because we have mackerel of dialogue more time. We got mackerel.
Yo, but with a mackerel business, you can't chat to man at your life and your friend, brother.
So what about mackerel? So you're killing him. How that occur? How that come up? Where that come up?
What?
Actually,
me don't know it come up. A bucket Joe, me go around there and Robert Lee first tell me. And say mackerel call up my name at Jamaica.
Bucket call. Link with Bucket Joe them.
Eh?
Link with Bucket Joe them.
I mean that link in the last part, I want Bucket vice him. Bucket send rhythm. Mackerel I only cry the man. Me never want to go in a film business, brother. But listen, lion, don't tell no lie for me, brother. Me no like liar, brother.
Yeah.
I mean, that man beat me up, he don't want to lie for me now.
Maybe most time around, you
No,
know?
no most, sir. The man go social media, brother.
Yeah.
You know, being a... Alright, being a call me now. Being a call Bucky, so no want to talk to me. The star call me, they interview me, when me a mackerel. I say me a mackerel, I have nothing. You just telling lie on me.
Yeah, they go viral, they go viral.
You get me? So me just, you not tracing with him, I'm a trace like a girl, like Miss Lashy. So me just go in the studio and Bucky find a rhythm and me just go, me say, Bucky, give me a rhythm. You know long Bucky say have the rhythm there.
Well, that's true, hard still.
You get me? And me just go. I want to your brethren after me no eat that, brother. A long time in this, brother. No boy not tell lie, brother. You beat me up, brother. I want to tell lie for me, brother. Me no like liar king. Me no like liar people, brethren. Lion. Better man beat you, want to lie for you. You see what I'm saying? Because you say lie, brother. If a man tell lie for you, brother. The man they go here and another man. But you beat you probably for 9 days busy and you go turn back friend. You get me? But with the lie, they stay, brother.
Stay, when they stick by you,
yeah. You see me? Call me DM here, man, that call me about you give my clean money yet. All them something there, brother. I want you, when we are soldier, we are gangster. We not busy about that, because we know not go so. Me have evidence. You see me? You see me, brethren? Mackerel can't send me out. Oh, mackerel can come and water. Mackerel can't come and know it on the water. Fire past Harpeth, you can't come down the outside, they come deal with me. Now when Mullen Road, Maxwell Avenue, you just come and Waterhouse. Marlow come chat to me, Lord Mackerel. Oh, you can't come send me out. You send out Mackerel. Them no send out man already. Me enjoy the cat of an elephant man, you know.
You never do that.
You never enjoy it. Brother, that me care about. Him say elephant man kill him, send out elephant man kill him change.
But that's all like I just have most time on like man. That's why I do it with you.
Brother,
that's all I
Mackerel is just him want a forward, so him have nothing else to say.
I mean, him don't mean nothing, you know.
Yeah, who don't mean nothing?
Mackerel,
I want to hear, brother, that's serious, brother. You mean why you don't mean nothing? Then we might chat it so. And people
believe.
Maybe
an elephant.
Mackerel can send me out. When? If Mackerel just put money and say, Ruddy, go buy this for me. You're going to get a box in your face. Remember me there Jamaica, you know, me a bad people in a bridge. And if Mackerel just take out the money there, me just knock him out and take the money, put them back and run away. And you can't come on a Ninjaman car. Which way you send me out, Mackerel? And you come in my town. Gleaner call me virgin. Interview me and me tell them what the virgin. I will advise show. You know, that's when him stand up, you know. A dancehall third, you know. Side of me, you know. I'm going to give me elbow, you know. But people are going to run you wicked. You get me sick. But me just chat me through and just rub him out, brethren. Mackerel at this moment show you. Stop tell people lie about me who you. Real bad man about shot before you. Show up your fish face a gunshot. Go on to your brethren, man. That's how me get the forward, you know. I'm going to read the next line yet, you know. But me who you change, boy, you are this. Shut up your mouth, you little dry land fish. Send me and watch girl. But you can stop back fish. And me hate is you have this little bad mind habit. Dirty mackerel over your dance out. This space no end up run a last now. As a fish, me no know your chat. So you saw me jaggy back stuff. Mackerel at this point.
I love
Yeah, mackerel, your friend. Are your friend?
Yeah, but we respect
mackerel. Me no friend boy, me no friend fish. You man, me a bad people. I want you, man. Look at shit.
No, but Mackerel, 2018, we meet Mackerel at Casper Studio and he tell me I'm a good artist.
You tell you, say, I mean it for you. Mackerel are not clean, you know.
No, I mean it, man.
Mackerel, brother, let me tell you something. Nobody, no artist not like him in Jamaica. In trouble, Sammy Jagger, America. Man shopping with Soda, America. In trouble, Predator, women are going to fix him. I tell you that. In trouble, Tristan Palmer, Beanie Man, deck for him, you know. Admiral Bailey tell Peter Mitchell, so when he go on stage and dance, don't make Mackerel go up there. Joe the Whale, he might try video Joe the Whale and Joe the Whale run him well. Oh, don't put that on me, don't shine that on me. You get me? Enough artists, Mackerel, bad mind, brethren. I'm trouble people too much, brother. Me I tell you straight, brother. Big man.
About that still.
I'm telling you, what you mean? You take up him?
You know, say I love Mustard. I don't take up him.
Mustard, you can Mustard time serious, young brother, man. And a Mustard, brother, man, take them things serious, brother. You can't tell life a man and boy, you Mustard. Man, I want a Mustard with your brethren. I want you. You see Mackerel, Mackerel look. I want you all in here. I want you, brother. I want to your brethren.
Yeah, no, that come for work.
You can't tell me that. They are bad people. My people go, you tell lie for me that can't rub out. You tell lie for me, government. I want you to tell lie for me. Top tell lie, brethren. And you know a lie I tell.
So what's next already?
No. That done with still, you know. But you bring up this now, so me have to make you know, because you ask me. Me have to make you know what's going on.
For that now, man.
Man, come on for what? Then what you bring it up for?
Me ask if you know, man.
Your social media, this step on me, I be talk my mind. Because I don't want nobody say me bad mind. I don't say it going on. I'm glad you bring it up, because enough people don't know it go.
Me ask if you know Macklin from studio time, when you used to hang out at studio.
Who am Macklin hang out at studio?
Answer the question.
No, me and Macklin never hang out at studio.
So that me ask.
Me and Macklin hang out at studio. What time
I said no, so that clear up now. Move on to something else now.
Then you have, then what you ask me that for? You think you can't train me to get coward? You can't train me to get coward.
That's coward thing, man.
No, man. Mackerel good man, him good man, but if you know, so stop the life on people, brother. Me no like liar, that me say, brother, me vex. You get me? The man could have tell life on me and send me one brethren. Me could have lose I want your brethren, man.
So
see when
if you make you lose your life?
If you do that, you know we do worse, huh?
Oh, so you mean.
Me not give a chance to nobody, you know. Me not trust people. I want to hear, brother, man. I don't want to tell a big dirty lie like that for me, brother.
So what's next, Ruddy Irie?
What next?
One eye pipeline.
Talk up.
2025 and beyond.
Me have it, you know, me full of style, you know. Full of tune,
happy and free,
happy and free. What? I put you hear tune after tune, man. Not do me that tire. You know what thing them, you know, good looking lady. Good looking lady. Girl, are your birth night this? Surprise with a birth night wish. Girl, are your birth night wish? Surprise with a birth night wish. Me and your man, so me bring your roses. Camera there, a girl make your poses. That will look good for you. You do your hair and your eyelash up. You do your throat and your lip them do.
Man.
Also while your fingernail do. Spin you can't keep on finger too. Out the road where you can't park to. But me know some girl grudge you.
Yeah.
Out the road every man want you.
Yeah.
Skin out on the boat right too.
Yeah.
Good looking lady. Don't do me that lion, man.
No, we know you have it, man.
You know me full like me have one deck on the next round of G right there, you know. Take you to Italy. Take you to the holiday in Italy. Take you to the beach, take you to the movie. Roll out in a Paris, me say in a the Ferrari. Girl foot pan dashboard looking irie. In a me jack on, me have a Cuban cigar. So we got to like me ability, you know. So we got to roll back in the hotel. Girl go beard and come and lie down. So lie down, my girl, let me rub you down. Rub you down, my girl, cocoa butter down. You get me?
Yeah. No, baby.
Yes, a top class restaurant, champagne for ice, no rum, no Campari. I'm with it. Yeah, wait till you hear that drop.
It's a cocoa butter, no baby.
No, I'm not going to say baby business. Come in a baby. Lie down, my girl, let me rub you down. Rub you down, my girl, cocoa butter down.
Yeah. No, P did it, baby.
Go out. I want you. No, brother. You bring them name there.
No, but I flip it. Flick it.
Nah, flick nothing.
That's what I say, cocoa butter.
No baby, I'll cocoa butter down. No baby, I'll cocoa butter down.
Other people are pray and say, what do you that time? I know the baby thing. When they hear say cocoa butter down, and them pray and say, what do you think, smart man?
Yeah, man. No baby, I'll cocoa butter down. Girl foot on dashboard looking irie. In a jack on and me have a Cuban cigar. Top class restaurant, no rum, no Campari.
Italy. That's Italy.
Italy, man.
Yeah. So good.
Holiday in Italy. I want to this one. I carry the girl looking. Because you want to go for the holiday.
Any upcoming shows?
Huh?
Any upcoming shows?
Sure. Me and some people are talking about some show, you know. Me hear the Gambia show. And me hear one of the nothing a Bradford or one of them, what's Bradford?
I mean, I think I'm going to Gambia still.
I want to hear general, man.
I never touch them.
St. Martin, more and forward car. And that me is scary now. Scary them and some people.
Huh? You have something aligned up for St. Martin?
Yeah, man. And them more and forward, you know, King. St. Martin come like Jamaica, you know. Yeah, my friend say he make them start to eat breadfruit over there, you know. And I pay breadfruit tree there, St. Martin, you know.
I know it's eat it.
And nobody never used to eat it. I move over there first called roast.
So why them know to eat it?
Me scary, man, eh?
Why them know why them not eat it?
Me don't know, brother.
You don't know the history behind it?
Me don't know, you have to talk to him, you know. You get me? Me can't call him now because me just talk to him before me call him. Scary, man. You use the power with Ninjaman too, man. You there over there, man. I'm a brethren, man. Man, they come from Westmoreland, man. Sab. You get me? The man, they love me and rate me, brethren. Me go to Sab in a brother. Big life, you know. I can't go to Sab and spend 1 week, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That's why things set, man. So, me no know, you know. Me a glamour way like him give me I'll give me a talk with you, you know. So like some people want to see me, you know. Who was so in my place back, you know. You know, over America, man. Remember, you know, the whole of Springfield, you know. Waterbury, New Haven, you know. In a Hartford, Connecticut, you know.
Yeah.
Massachusetts, Boston, you know. And my place, you know. Fort Lauderdale, you know. You see what I say, brother? Queens, Bronx, Manhattan, you know, brother. Brother, me touch back them. Philly? Philly now my place, man. Virgin. I mean, the first time I go to Philadelphia, I'm going to represent Metro Media, man. Sky Juice, man. Axie, man. Reese them some youth fan of Maxwell, they tip the damn thing, and them send for me. That time they are Connecticut. And send for me, and me fly down, go to Washington first. And then leave Washington and go to Philly, go work up there. You get me a cut back in Sky Juice, me meet. Sky Juice will tell you, man.
We go Bandan, you know, forward, man. Philly, we go Philly where they feel nice, man.
Yeah,
we don't live there, you know.
Feeling nice, brother.
Clean,
yeah, man. Me like, you know, me like the train, the tram running at the big road. Yeah. Me like it, man. The tram running that road. You can't just hop it and jump on it, you know. It's mad, you know, that.
Yeah, Philly like they're foreign, like you see in that movie, you know. Different from New York.
Yeah. But New York, you know, Washington just open, Washington just big and open, brethren. You just bright, you know, you get me.
So when you touch what them place, and people don't see what they so when you touch over there, trouble. Show them around.
Brother, that's why me I do tune in a brethren, because one more sit in a brother and the people. Brother, God bless social media. Brother, the people them are sick. Me sitting them on social media.
And consistency, you know?
Yeah. So them I wonder how them brother you now play them something there. So who I look shame, brethren. You have some man attack to them family and do some good tune and some selector, you know. Me hear the argument with the other brother. And me have some man attack serious about me now get involved.
And the family after artists them?
Yeah, man, them myself, them family artists and some selector, them now play them family thing, me and some serious youth, them brethren.
Why wicked, man?
Me now get involved, brother. Me no want to get involved. Me go and be my little punishment, you know.
Yeah, me want it, you know.
Brethren, the same out just say no, it will come back and say yes to Ruddy, you know, brethren. Me see it already, you know. Me see it come already, you know. You ever think me and karma, you know?
Man, you see me? Someone is to beat, man. I'm surprised you see them things start going on. We're not endorse no violence still, but
we're not involved in that no violence.
It's them own, you know.
Somebody hear me say good.
When we not do our next man, we do, yes.
Yeah, man, you hear me say good? Let me tell you what me depend. You ever think me and karma?
Yeah.
The same out where you used to say no.
Yeah, true.
I will come on and come say yes to Ruddy. Because me see it there already, you know. Me see it coming now. It start already because something, I never thought this man, that you never know a brethren. Man, I call me now and that, yo, I laugh, man. But you see God not sleep, brethren. And we don't do no wicked things in our life where God not forgive us for brethren. You see me, I want clean out youth in a general. Remember, you know, brother? Remember, you know, lion foot, you know. Me do one of the greatest things when a man not doing in England, you know. And some man will have it, you know.
Yeah.
Can't help out, you know. Remember, you know, lion? Every year, I keep a thing for the kids in my community.
Yeah, true.
All day giveaway treat, barbecue, I keep for the kids in my brother. Me I give you the chicken, you know.
Yeah, true, man.
And yeah, me I give the chicken, but remember, you know, the pork and the fish, me sell that.
Yeah.
I mean, I give the chicken them to the
Chicken,
kids, them, you know.
yeah.
Me rent all, I mean, have much ice cream, me rent a limousine in a brethren, out of my pocket in a brother, if you pick me in a general.
You do that, innit? Good thing, man.
And more time I tell a man, say, yo, I go, I want your money, you know. Just go in a shop and buy some kids water and some kids toys.
Yeah.
Kids drink, brother. Yeah, me good with that. Give your woman then, brother. Make him drop it somewhere Peckham then, brother. Me pick it up, brother. Let me tell them people when they can left it, brother. You know what time I tell them left it at Millwall, Milange, Trisha shop round the sun. Yeah, I left it give Michelle, brother. You see me? Yeah, man, me I go do it. Go with them. All of them are fake. You see them name I call you know? One of them name in the back. No. Not me. You will hear. You're the road youth, brother.
Yeah.
You're a road youth, you're going to hear, you know.
Oh, it's in the ear, so you're going to hear. Already, we're going to wrap up the first podcast is, you know. The first reasoning.
Yeah.
And you know, many more will go forward. We are ready. I go there regular. We might have 1 and 2 guests forward in at times.
Yeah.
You see me, so we don't know we are ready to go on the show.
You don't know we are going to bring, because you know every artist know me, you know. They're early, you know. I'm a little young one, them, and them mother, and them dad know me. And then tell them about me. Come see how some people want to come away there. Are you, me see a Golden Spring, because when name? Shano.
Oh, Shano, yeah.
Let me see him. A Golden Spring, me see when me down there, come perform the one dance, you know. And I'm turning coming up. Down there, so me from them there, go Golden Spring, have your legs 20 long go down, you know. No man no tell me nothing, and me and the dancer don't when him. The dancer don't when him again. Shelly, and me and Shelly turn up the night, you know. Me table there, so me and Shelly turn up, you know. A Golden Spring, you know. Pay police, you know. Secure me head back, you know. Police out the road, you have your brethren. I want to some man. We don't have no style.
We have a close off the road, but I want to ask you, I see you do a thing where they will go viral.
What?
With, you know, the Beanie and the Kartel saga. We are close off with that, so you don't have to talk long for it. It's a 1 minute.
Beanie Man and Kartel?
Yeah, with the fans, then we are trying to stir up things and so, you know.
Yeah.
Me say...
And then we fans them, you know.
Me say... The 2 set of fans.
Me know a 2-boy person.
Me say we are all kings, you know.
Alright, we could call it the fans.
We are kings and things, so.
But you have 2 people.
Me say do have a thing where they go viral. I see a couple of vloggers dash it out, so I'm saying, dash it out too.
Yeah.
You see me? Which me
I remember in a lion foot.
I love how you talk. You never talk one-sided. You talk your history with both artists, and you speak justifyingly.
Yeah.
So you're not taking a side.
Me not taking a side. Kartel used to do that so we do virgin. Me and Kartel used to turn up brothers in the daytime and not evening time. Plus all a Friday night time. Me and Kartel out to pick up frontline virgin.
Yeah, man.
Beanie Man, my friend. Me and Beanie Man used to do with two best friends, you know. 2 of them near Angela, you know. One a compound, you know, one a villa, you know. That's how I live, Waterhouse, you know. 2 of them near Angela, you know. And me and Beanie Man a par, you know. Me and Beanie Man used to par at night and day, you know. You get me? So, my brother, I'm not busy with it, brother. I can't do. I can't tell Beanie, say Beanie. Done with that, brother. I say Kartel. Hold on now. I show me I show justice. Told me and my virgin. Say Kartel. I know Kartel and Beanie. Kartel and Beanie talking. I think I mix up. I 2 brother caused it, brother. And you know how them thing, you know. You know how them, you know. You get me?
2 brother.
2 boy, man. You know how brother.
Oh.
You know them, brother. Because I don't call nobody name, you know. Because the boy call me name, you write him up, you know. You get me? You know how they on social media, brethren.
From both sides, Foot and Kevin. Are those them 2 them?
Remember, me not tell you nothing. You call name to me, you know. Me no know if me no know, you know, brother.
We are asking about Foot and Kevin from both sides. I know Kevin has said,
yo.
Kartel.
Well, me not getting that. Me not call no man name.
No, me ask you.
One name.
There's 2 persons.
Virgin.
So those are the 2 names we see.
No.
Very vocal.
No. The name when me call, me can't call the name there. Me say, you have to have a foot type.
Yeah, man, foot type straight nation, man. Legend, man. Profit.
You have to have a foot type. See, like when you have a lion foot, you have to have a Ninjaman, you have to have a Kartel, you have to have a Beanie Man. Leave foot type. Foot type, you know what I'm doing. Remember me telling you.
Righteousness, man.
I want to you, man. I want to you. But you're one of the boy, one of the black boy, one of the blogger. Him a beat Beanie too.
And the name I'm just called?
Well, no, me not the name the way you call. No, one next one.
Oh, okay, me don't know about that.
Can't remember me not call nobody name. If a boy call me name in a bed.
Trouble? Anyway.
You call name, but me not say yes or the one there, but
no,
a blogger make the trouble.
I'm asking, you know. Yes,
the fans them.
There's a two persons, so those are the two names.
Yeah.
The one that you attack at, me don't know.
No. Footer not have nothing to do with this, brother.
The
one we are mix up, brother. Footer just talk in mind. But me no like man, I move like girl. Every minute you dep on a chat. Like so some me hear man somewhere some man a girl talk that, brother. And yeah, man. The kind of chat like girl, brother. That's what my thing them. Remember me no call no name. Read between the line. Footer general. Footer bad people, you know. Don't ramp with Footer here and take the Footer normal. Footer there go all a JP already, you know. Check the Footer idiot. You can just run in, so. I want to know, brother. Footer my friend still, brethren. I mean, now I'm going out Footer. Footer my friend. Footer very review me tune. Footer my general. Footer my real friend. Beanie Man and my friend. Kartel and my friend, brother. You take me out of that. Me just can't say low the foolishness, brother.
Yeah, man.
Go on the rich, brother. Does it yourself, brother?
Rich and
and go to river, go eat fish and chuck up in a hole and dance some girl, brother, and drown all them.
But the two man, I'm going to talk and laugh.
Right, no, Beanie and Kartel. Beanie and Kartel are best friend. You're going to continue. And we are the food around here, kill up yourself. No sense.
I don't even know Kartel and Beanie, man. You see me?
General.
You know? But that's for sure you how in-depth the fans we go for the artists. Them.
Yeah.
And get the artists in trouble because them going to do things.
Yeah. And the blogger them are doing it.
Artists get the blame, you know?
And the artists them
are. They attack physical fight.
No, Beanie and Kartel, never see the two of them at course.
No, me attack the fans.
Beanie is a man come like Ninja. Beanie we just laugh it out and run come up you. I know Beanie like book, no.
Attacking the fans them.
The fans them. And even much of the fan them now, I mean, I hear the fan them at some blog, I'm here at Burnout Beanie Man, you know. Footer just making talk, and Footer know what I'm saying, you know. Remember Footer and B and Kartel used to par, you know.
Yeah, man, one camp.
Footer know what I do. Yeah. So only come on when I know Kartel. Stop chat.
Standing for morals and...
Stop the chatting, brother. I want to chat too much like a girl. I want to tell you, brother, peace me, I look. Brother, me want Kartel come heal me, brother, and give me... Brother, man, Kartel come look for me like when him forward there. Yeah. We run them one be alright, so where do you Beanie come here? I mean I'm Beanie turn up out of the fish fry in the brethren. You see me? You think me I go follow on make my good friend when me apart and day one me and they mix up. Me not dip and that. Me in a mix up.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
But I say the thing, because I said the two artists, them rich and alright.
What me a talk about? A Ninjaman thing, more and find out. You can go for your phone and so go with Ninja today, because today we go a place, you know. And Ninja today, Ninja for free, you know.
Yeah.
Today, the second. Once I go on with the Gargan, Desmond, because I road now, brethren. Ninja for the road, brother. You know,
star. For free.
Ninjaman for the road, you know, brethren. Gargan for the road, brethren. God no, you know, star. You see it?
No,
you see it? A lie make Ninja de say, you know? Lie. You see me I tell you? Lie. Me can't tell you that. Lie make Ninja de. Ninja never kill nobody, you know. I want to know, brother. Brother. Feel like them I tell you, yo, a lie make Ninja the prison.
Yeah, man, but we are close off now, sir.
Then we not done?
Yeah, man. In the last word for the fans.
We're going with Ninja.
No, Papa. Wi-Fi, you see me? Wi-Fi.
Want to see Gargan, brother. Me like you when me like see with the man, brother.
Wi-Fi.
Sometimes when me see with the video when him go for Richie Stevens to go to eat mango, brother. I want to come on me and a brethren. Remember me and him used to partner, brother.
Ninja.
Yeah. And the man used to par, brother. Me drive the man car, them, brother. Me just say, yo, me I go up there, you know. And me and him all up at the apartment, you know, brethren. Me and Ninja, they all America, you know, brother. Near the airport, at Kennedy Airport, brethren. Me drive anyone in car, them, you know, brethren. Me just take up the key and gone, you know. I'm not see me till I want to your brethren, man. Can't be bad kindness, brother. Ninja, my real friend, brethren. God know. Yo, brother, you never know what I'm going to Lion. Some people might hear me talking a Lion. Ninja mother love me, you know, brother. I can't, them time when me Ninja mother with a live, you know. Them days there, you know, me could have gone there and go in at the house, lie down in anyone in the room if me tired, you know. Me I come past. Brother, you can't forget kindness, brother. So I feel it today's man, brother. I know the whole of Ninjaman be having data, you know, with their Birmingham call me uncle, you know, brother. I know when me and Ninja go sent me, go check the Lily, you know. I know when Ninja go Greenwich Farm, go check the next baby man. Brother, I know when Ninja go him baby man and side of my baby man, and I'm actually having a post office, you know, brother.
Yeah, see, I tell them I got a court.
Yeah, I go court today.
Yeah, but them not make no decision yet. So Ninjaman returns to court on June 2nd.
The second, that's today.
To press appeal of murder, yeah.
Yeah, appeal. So, remember Jamaica a day now, you know. You understand?
Yeah, that's the latest thing in the system.
So, him still a court, man.
Big up the guys, you know. I know them have to make decisions. They might need days for this.
They're
going to need a few days to make them decisions, innit?
Days?
Couple days, yeah. They're not going to just make the decision straight away.
Yeah.
When they appeal, them have to sit down and talk. Should we, if they decide if I'm
but the talking make them say Ninja did a mandatory, you know, and get called BT. But see me know for the phone company at that time. But them are saying, you know, Ninja mean BT, so them a 3 lawyer depend it, you know. As far as I know.
Yeah, the team.
You
Team is
see?
going through the conscript now and noting the descriptions of convicts and testimonies so they can mount a formidable defense.
What that mean?
In team, and I put together.
The team?
Yeah, in team, yeah. I put together all the discrepancies then.
Brother, Ninja walk today, you know. Cause them send for free today, you know. Cause big Kartel lawyer depend it, you know.
Any last words for the fans, Sam?
Fans and people. God, here. We love you here. Living a life. God is the greatest. Love and love alone. I'm Ruddy Irie. We love everybody. Find up put your hand for me. Yeah, I know, sir. A brother fight against brother and sister. The whole of we have family. If you check that, drop that tape measure and read that. You know, say whole of we have family. You know, check it out. Yeah,
man. So, big up on yourself. I hope you enjoy this first reasoning. And Ruddy and Lionfoot. You don't know, like and share the content, subscribe, click the bell, tell a friend to tell a friend. Every likes, every share, you know, it means a lot. It's a sign of contribution to the platform. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So big up on yourself. Blessed love.